Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Those who are actually advanced in knowledge are able to appreciate the essential value of this age of Kali. Such enlightened persons worship Kali Yuga because in this fallen age, all perfection of life can easily be achieved by the performance of Sankirtana, reciting God's names.
Please watch on for our multi-part series on ancient predictions about our planet, Prophecy of the Golden Age Part 88, Lord Kalki Avatar, Vegetarian, and the new Satya Yuga.
Today's program will be presented in Hindi and English with subtitles in Arabic, Aulacese, also known as Vietnamese, Bulgarian, Chinese, Czech, English, French, German, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Mongolian, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Telugu, and Thai. अभिवादन शानदार दर्शकों, मैं साधु हरिदास हूँ। पवित्र भारत के लोग आपको जीवन भर बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हैं, विशेषकर आपके आध्यात्मिक कल्याण के लिए। मानव जाति के इतिहास के दौरान दिव्य संदेश अक्षर रहस्य में डूबे रहते हैं। भविष्यवक्ता, मसीहा या जो भी नाम आप उन्हें पुकारते हैं, प्रायः सताए जाते हैं और प्रताड़ित होते हैं। उनके शब्द गूढ़ थे, लेकिन हम सच्चे को असत्य से कैसे अलग करते हैं? ऐसा करने के लिए कोई केवल ईश्वरीय मार्गदर्शन पर भरोसा कर सकता है, और सच्चाई खुद को उन लोगों के लिए प्रकट करेगी जो ईमानदारी से इसकी तलाश करते हैं। महर्षि वेदव्यास की असाधारण शक्तियों की बदौलत हिंदू शास्त्र आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान का खजाना है, जो भूत, वर्तमान और भविष्य के विस्तृत लौकिक दर्शन से भरे हुए हैं। 5000 साल पहले पृथ्वी पर जीवित वेदव्यास एक पौराणिक ऋषि थे, जिन्हें मानव जाति के लिए सच्ची शिक्षाओं को समझने के लिए दिव्य नियुक्त किया गया था, क्योंकि यह प्रत्येक गुजरते युग आयु के प्रभाव में अपनी बुद्धिमत्ता खो रहा था। उन्होंने वेदांत सूत्र, महाभारत, महाकाव्य और 18 पुराणों सहित वेदों और अन्य महत्वपूर्ण ग्रंथों का दस्तावेजीकरण और संकलन करके ऐसा किया। वेद व्यास के बिना हम नहीं जानते होंगे। उदाहरण के लिए भगवान कृष्ण और उनके कई अन्य अवतार। इस प्रकार हमारे ग्रह पर हमारे वर्तमान समय को उनके गहन ध्यान में इतने स्पष्ट रूप से देखते हुए वेदव्यास ने कलयुग पर प्रकाश डाला। वह अंधकार युग जो नए सतयुग स्वर्ण युग से पहले होगा। अपने पिछले एपिसोड में हमने पवित्र भागवत पुराण और महाभारत के कलयुग के वर्णन की झलक दी, जिसमें मानवीय और प्राकृतिक आपदाओं, बीमारियों, दुखद अनैतिक व्यवहारों और आध्यात्मिक धर्म शिक्षण के नुकसान के कारण जीवित रहने की कठिनाइयों के साथ है। लेकिन वायु पुराण में हमें पता चलता है कि कलयुग का एक सकारात्मक पक्ष है।
But piety practiced for one day in Kali Yuga is equal to that practiced for 1 month in Dvapara Yuga and a year in Treta Yuga, the two preceding ages.
सुप्रीम मास्टर चिंगहाई ने अक्सर उल्लेख किया है कि इस समय हमारी दुनिया में आध्यात्मिक अभ्यास करने के लिए वास्तव में जल्दी से प्रगति करने का एक धन्य अवसर है।
太安静的时候，我们这个头脑会懒惰，没有奋斗的心，有那个逆缘啊，我们修行起来更好。所以这个世界啊，娑婆世界听说是最好修行的地方，因为逆缘很重。假如说你在这个娑婆世界没有得到佛菩萨的果位啊，你有名是没关系，可以继续向高的境界继续照你继续修，不过在上面修得很慢，没有逆缘啊，太好了。
It's the last age of Kali Yuga, and God is very, very generous. Yeah. So whatever effort, as long as you're sincere and put in effort, that's it. That's all there is. That's all that's count. You see, just be sincere, diligent, try your best all the time to do the meditation, and the rest, God will take care.
But actually also in our time, some years of our time since we're born until recent years, they call it Kali Yuga, means the Dharma ending age. Actually also not just the Buddha's Dharma ending, but Kali Yuga age means Dharma ending age. Yeah, so we're lucky still have method to practice. We have to thank all the saints, the sages that protect and preserve the lineage of Guanyin method up to date. We really are grateful. Because the lineage don't always run in one direction or in one place. Like the river, it run under somewhere and then it emerge somewhere else and then it hidden again underground, depends, yeah? And then it come out again, yeah? So if we sometimes keep looking in the same tradition, we might miss the mark. I'm glad you did not miss the mark. I'm glad you're wise enough to look wide and far.
कृष्णा चेतना के लिए इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी के आदरणीय संस्थापक आचार्य श्रीला प्रभुपाद के अनुसार कलयुग आध्यात्मिक अभ्यास के लिए भी सबसे अच्छा समय है, क्योंकि इस युग में सर्वोच्च भगवान दयालु और स्वतंत्र रूप से उच्चतम चेतना को प्रदान करते हैं।
Among the four ages, Satya, Treta, Dwapara and Kali. Kali Yuga is actually the best because in this age, the Lord mercifully distributes the highest perfection of consciousness, namely Krishna consciousness, very freely. His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, vegetarian.
It's the last of this cycle, yes. So whoever left behind, hurry, bring everybody up. That's why it's very generous, but take a lot of power, you see. Just like, hurricane brings a lot of water, yeah? But it takes hurricane to bring that much water inland. Normal rain doesn't. Because at this time, it's like wholesale. Because we have a lot of room, a lot of grace, so everyone can be covered. Yeah, no problem. You are lucky guys. Yeah. God is generous, but have never been so generous. In the old time, the most would be a handful, thousands of people. Can never be so many. And can never be so openly, gathered together despite everything. It's really lucky, you guys, lucky.
स्थिर दर्शकों, हम एक संक्षिप्त संदेश के बाद लौटेंगे। कृपया सुप्रीम मास्टर टेलीविजन पर बने रहें। धन्य दर्शकों, हमारे कार्यक्रम में आपका वापस स्वागत है। वायु पुराण से संबंधित है कि संध्या के दौरान जो कलयुग के अंत में संक्रमणकालीन चरण है, जब चीजें सबसे खराब होगी तो बचे हुए लोगों को प्रबुद्ध किया जाएगा।
They reach the limit of misery. Only a few of them survive. They are oppressed by old age, sickness, and hunger. Due to misery, they become indifferent to worldly existence. Due to this despondency and indifference, they begin to ponder. By pondering over, they attain the state of equanimity. In the state of equanimity, they are enlightened. Due to enlightenment, they become pious. When those subjects at the end of Kali age are thus enlightened, in a single day and night, the Yuga is transformed.
This lifetime, this period of our life, of our earth, people have too much karma, very heavy karma. All the saints show you that. Kali Yuga, okay? Meaning the dark age. Therefore, we had so many big tragedy. Events like wars, millions, tens of millions people die. And then plagues, also millions of people die, or at least hundreds of thousands of people die. And again, epidemic. And then again war. And then disaster of big scale, natural or man-made. So only the desperate souls will accept redemption if they find it, and they will hang on to it. These desperate souls, they truly are wiser than the non-desperate. They will not see anything outwardly that obstruct their faith and their determination to escape from this suffering world, which they see and perceive and know that it is ephemeral to begin with. So it doesn't matter what the master look like.
As long as their souls perceive that she speaks, he talks the truth, they will follow to the end, sincerely and diligently. And for these souls, I might have appeal. For ordinary souls, they just look for personality, they look for appearance, they look for demonstration, they look for, whatever, you know it, right? Yes. So they will not be able to maintain their determination and faith as long as the so-called master that they have seen or wanted to believe in don't fit their small little frame. There are bigger frames, smaller frames, little frames to fit different photos, okay? So only the one who like the big photos use a big frame. And the little one, they used to with small things, they don't like big photos. They have a small frame, and that fit them for now. It's good. Eh? You like larger picture.
कलियुग में तेजी से आध्यात्मिक प्रगति करने के लिए भागवत पुराण में प्रकाशित किया गया है कि एक व्यक्ति को भगवान के पवित्र नाम को दोहराना चाहिए.
Those who are actually advanced in knowledge are able to appreciate the essential value of this age of Kali. Such enlightened persons worship Kali Yuga because in this fallen age, all perfection of life can easily be achieved by the performance of Sankirtana, reciting God's names.
उच्चतम चेतना या ज्ञान प्राप्त करने के तरीके का समर्थन करते हुए सुप्रीम मास्टर चिंघाई भी हमें हमारे अभ्यास के एक अनिवार्य भाग के रूप में मास्टर शक्ति द्वारा चार्ज किए गए पवित्र नामों का उच्चारण करना सिखाती है.
After meeting with the master within 1 year, I collected lots of knowledge as well as reciting the Naam which have been given to me, the 5 Naams. It has helped me very much to upgrade my spiritual understanding, spiritual life.
The 5 holy names, it's like they just joined the whole universe, the whole cosmos together.
Yes.
It's just the power is so great.
Yes.
It's just beyond belief.
Yes, it is charged. It's not the names, it's a charging power also. The living charging power, yes.
And also I wanted to say last night when you were reciting the 5 names with us, how it was like God force power coming in, and I just was streaming down crying while you were saying them, because I could just feel them to my core, the power.
Good. You even have the God of the whole universe to protect you also, you know? And different level, you're different God, and the whole hierarchy of that level also protecting, looking out for you. That's why the 5 God's level name is very important.
Hello, Master.
Hi.
Recently, during many days, I had to work with a lot of people, and after the meeting, I felt tired. And when I repeated the 5 names, I feel just after the meeting very blessed, very released, and
Yes.
very, very, very good. So thank you very much for this.
Bữa hổm con có ăn lỡ một cái gói mì chay nhưng mà không có ghi thuần chay với sư phụ. Xong con bị ngồi thiền, cái bị rớt xuống. Con không biết là gói mì đó họ quảng cáo là chay nhưng mà không có tinh khiết. Cái con niệm 5 câu. Dạ sư phụ, con niệm tới đâu là mọi chúng sinh nó quỳ lại con tới đó. Con chỉ niệm 5 câu thôi, con thoát ra chỗ đó. Xong con thiền lại Quan Âm 2 tiếng. Xong cái con trở lại một thế giới tốt đẹp hơn.
Con có thể nghiệm là con đi thăm viếng một cái cảnh giới địa ngục đó, thì có rất nhiều những người gương mặt rất hung dữ và người ta muốn như là ăn thịt con đấy. Thế vào bên cạnh đó thì con nhìn ra thì cũng có 3-4 vị đồng tu. Thế con nói là thưa quý vị niệm hồng danh đi. Thế là con cũng cùng niệm với quý vị. Thế là người ta lại đổi sắc mặt và người ta lại quỳ xuống, người ta lạy chúng con. Đấy, con muốn nói là con rất là cảm ơn sư phụ đã tặng con là 5 vị hồng danh đó. Và từ đó là con cũng tăng cái niềm tin, cái đức tin tăng. Và dạ vâng, con muốn cảm ơn sư phụ.
Không có chi. Tốt. I have told you that the name is very, very important, very powerful. Even if you are in hell, if you remember it, you will be released. Because this is a very powerful energy, understand? Powerful. The name of the 5 gods of the 5 worlds, within the 5 worlds, they are kings. So anybody hearing their names, you know, they really bow down. Then nobody can touch you. It's a real protection, not just in physical life, but in hell and in heaven, anywhere, whatever universe you go. Do not take it for granted, okay? Because you get it easy maybe, and I don't always advertise strongly about it like the way they do on TV. So you think it's nothing. It's not. It's a chance in millions of years' time, okay? Millions of lifetime. Please treasure it.
आज आपकी कंपनी के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। ईश्वर प्रेम दर्शकों, कृपया अगले सप्ताह फिर से देखें जैसे हम स्वर्ण युग और उसके महान प्रवेशक के बारे में अधिक हिंदू भविष्यवाणियों का पता लगाएंगे। आगे आ रहा है दीपक के साथ औरत फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल, आधुनिक नर्सिंग के संस्थापक। उल्लेखनीय समाचार के ठीक बाद कृपया सुप्रीम मास्टर टेलीविजन पर बने रहें। ईश्वर आपके युग को नए युग के आशीर्वाद से भर दे। Thank you, God-loving viewers, for your company today. Please tune in again next week as we explore more Hindu prophecies about the Golden Age and its great usherer. Coming up next is The Lady with the Lamp, Florence Nightingale, founder of modern nursing. Right after noteworthy news, please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. May the divine fill your being with blessings of the new era.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/AP.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule et suprememastertv.com/AP.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule y suprememastertv.com/AP.
Nossos programas oferecem vários idiomas. Acesse suprememastertv.com/schedule e suprememastertv.com/AP.